Good evening viewers, this is Dudarshan Kendra Shillong and we welcome you to today's edition of the news. Before heading to the details, here are the headlines. Lok Sabha passes Railways Amendment Bill 2024. Bill seeks to amend the Railways Act 1989 and enhance the power of the Railways Board. Treasury opposition face off various issues leads to disruption in Parliament. Jirang MDC Victor Rani joins Congress after NPP denies him ticket for the upcoming Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. And Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays foundation for Rs 49 crore Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project. The news in detail. The Lok Sabha today passed the Railways Amendment Bill 2024 with a voice vote. The bill seeks to amend the Railways Act 1989 and is intended to enhance the power of the Railways Board and improve the functioning and independence of the body. All the provisions in the Indian Railway Board Act 1905 are proposed to be incorporated into the Railways Act 1989 through this bill. The bill seeks to repeal the Indian Railway Board Act 1905 by suitably incorporating the provisions for the constitution and composition of the Railway Board into the Railways Act 1989. Both the Houses of Parliament today witnessed heated exchange of words between the Treasury and Opposition bench MPs on various issues. The Rajya Sabha was adjourned for the day, while the Lok Sabha till 2 p.m. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju condemned the opposition for their notices of no confidence motion against the chairman of Rajya Sabha. He said Congress party should apologize for this and the government will foil every attempt which is designed to malign the image of the chair.
लोकतंत्र को मानते हैं, ना चेयर का गरिमा को ध्यान रखते हैं। आप लोगों ने, मैं नाम लेकर कह सकता हूं, टेलीविजन में बाहर जाकर के पब्लिक के सामने में उपराष्ट्रपति का नाम लेकर के आप लोग बेमतलब से आरोप लगाते हैं। आप लोग इस सदन का सदस्य होने का लायक नहीं है।
The Nongstoin Block Congress Committee convened a meeting today at Congress Bhavan, Nongstoin. The meeting was held as part of the process to select and finalize the name of the candidate for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025. During the meeting, the committee unanimously decided to endorse and forward the name of GNS Murthong as the Congress party's candidate to contest the MDC elections from the Nongstoin constituency. After the meeting, Eric Harsenteo Lampang, the chairman of the Nongstoin Block Congress Committee, stated that the decision was made in the presence of observers from the District Congress Election Committee.
Kita nakaliang juga district observer naga district team kepada ka district congress committee kilala ban pentikna bagi kot isla kilabia kum ka yeng hibro goi na po Nongstoin block congress committee ngilai hunlang ngilai menjor ban ini terisitom na gobita ka jingjok jong ka di MBC election ada urusan na po arpinyo Nongstoin constituency.
Victor Rani, the sitting MDC of Jirang, has resigned from the NPP and joined the Indian National Congress after being denied a ticket for the upcoming elections. His defection is seen as a major shift in the political landscape of the region. Rani was welcomed by several Congress leaders and supporters at gathering in Birnihat. This move strengthens the Congress in Jirang, with Rani likely to be the party's candidate in the MDC elections. His decision reflects growing discontent within NPP in the constituency. Congress has yet to officially announce its candidate, but Rani's prospects are strong.
Impian sisi akan ikut parti hambo ajiran konsumsi. Dipaika nomor sandunga, paika dibagi ketahinan berpat kebijakan dan berkatnya. Hak ini election kebetulan benang hak naik pang ada abisan.
NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Marcus N. Marak has strongly criticized the Assam government's decision to ban beef consumption in public places. He called the move a violation of citizens' fundamental rights and freedom of choice. Marak emphasized that food habits are personal and should not be restricted by government mandates. He added that such bans undermine the democratic values of personal freedom. His remarks reflect growing opposition to similar measures in neighboring states. Marak stands firm in his belief that people should be free to choose their food.
So therefore, I don't accept the kind of ban that any government is putting on somebody in any states, I would say. So we have every right to have any kind of a food habit. Like example, we tribals, we eat so many things. So if you put restriction on our food habit, that is not a good thing. So our right to freedom of speech is also there, right to economic activities are there. Our fundamental rights, in fact, fundamental rights are being deprived by putting on restriction on this state.
The Congress party is preparing to withdraw from the NPP-led Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ahead of the winter session. Party sources indicate that both MDCs, Pinchngans Aim and Ronnie Lingdor, are under pressure from the AICC and MPCC to sever ties with the ruling coalition. This decision is expected to occur before the KHADC session on December 19. Insiders believe that the withdrawal is inevitable due to mounting pressure from the grassroots level. The move signals growing dissatisfaction within the Congress ranks with the current coalition. The Congress exit could significantly alter the political dynamics in KHADC. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong laid the foundation stone for the Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project valued at Rs 49 crore. The 20-kilometer road project is aimed at improving connectivity in Ribhoi district. Tinsong emphasized the importance of infrastructure development for regional growth. The road will enhance access for local residents and reduce travel time. Tinsong also announced additional plans for blacktopping under PMGSY Phase 3. Several local leaders and officials attended the ceremony marking the start of a key development project.
Ai bakal dalong sisa kabak penmentoy ya kaway pakaway kasnong ya kaway pakaway katunungin bat kani kusrok kabak kam sutenat susu ban ong ya tikolong balai po kilometer nadu nongpo hangne ha umden bat na umden sa 10 kilometer yinle da kata kabengi ong intermediate lane.
The Meghalaya government has engaged experts to address the preservation of 749 critical water sources identified across the state. Minister Marcus N. Marak confirmed that rectification measures will be implemented after experts complete their studies. The government plans to geotag these water sources to improve monitoring and maintenance. The project will begin during the lean period after the preparation of a detailed project report. This initiative aims to ensure that sustainability of vital water resources in the state. The integration of internet-enabled systems will also alert authorities to maintenance needs.
Sources which has been identified last year, around 749 critical sources. Rectification measures are going to be taken up, and then for this matter, expert has been called in, and then the project preparation is on. Hopefully, once it is completed, we'll be able to implement, I think, within this lean period.
South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai inspected the ongoing ₹6 crore road construction from Rilbong to Umshirpi PWD Road. The project, expected to be completed by early next year, aims to ease traffic congestion in the area. Shulai emphasized the road's importance for local residents, particularly benefiting 8 Rangba Shnongs in the region. The road will also reduce the burden on existing traffic routes. Shalai was accompanied by PWD officials and local residents during the inspection. The project is seen as a crucial step towards improving infrastructure in the region.
Karena kini ki arti ki surok kini ki batongsan ba tang kini ginong song suno hangne porobong karena kani arab ru yagi ginong song song joga gretar laban kaban jogara laban kaban father porsuno namor kung kabalong mentangi hangne pora laban pulun porong kawai ngidon tang arti ki exit but entry kawai na civil hospital ba kawai na pora ino point te dakarun ka traffic jam ni sakot.
Deputy Chief Minister Sneob Halang Dhar graced the closing ceremony of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations at St. Rad Higher Secondary School held at the school premises. Accompanied by Jowai MLA and Muda Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla, Dhar was joined by prominent guests including H. Toy, President of St. Rad Jowai, and the school's founder S. Ram Paswet, who was honoured during the event. The day featured the felicitation of retired teachers, a joint cutting of the Diamond Jubilee cake by Dhar and Paswet, and cultural performances. Dhar praised the efforts of the St. Rad organisation in promoting education and outlined future educational developments in the region.
MG ke jini pelidi ulai group how to make this man. Halai yes, ke kami no we can support hai won perta whatsapp kami boru. We are going to support. We are here to help you.
And now the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded today is 13 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity today is 76% in Tura. Forecast, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong. Minimum temperature recorded today is 5.7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in Shillong is 82%. Forecast, dry weather is likely at most places. In Jowai, 6 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature was recorded, while maximum temperature was recorded at 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 73%. And forecast, dry weather is also likely to occur at most places in Jowai. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Lok Sabha passes Railways Amendment Bill 2024. Bill seeks to amend the Railways Act 1989 and enhance the power of the Railways Board. Treasury opposition face off over various issues leads to disruption in Parliament. Jirang MDC Victor Rani joins Congress after NPP denies him ticket for the upcoming Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays foundation for Rs 49 crore Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Do tune in again with us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thanks for watching and good night.